Hello guys, in this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to change your YouTube into a dark mode. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and you hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to go to your YouTube channel. After which you simply click on the icon. After that you click on what setting. Once you are there, you simply click on what general. After which you click on what appearance. Once you are there, you simply click on what dark theme. So guys, we just change it. So if you want to take it back to the light theme, you simply click on that again. So guys, I'm going to leave it with dark theme. So thank you guys for watching.